We are proceeding further with HTML. Now we are going to look to HTML paragraphs. Now HTML paragraph are defined by P. You can see that an opening bracket and closing bracket is there, and it is a paired HTML tag. It has an opening tag and an ending tag. This which we can see in the video, you can see on the screen, these are the two different paragraphs. Now when we try to execute this, we can see that these are the three separate paragraphs. Now displaying the entire thing, you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens, resize windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will remove extra spaces and extra lines when the page is displayed. Any number of spaces, any number of new lines count as only one space. Now in this we can see that this is a paragraph, and what happens when we read it. This is a full described and it is considered in one single paragraph. You can see that this is a single paragraph, this is a single paragraph, this is a single paragraph. Despite of the thing that all the lines are starting from a single line, but these are read in a single paragraph in HTML. So it is very important for all of us to know what is the paragraph P. Now what happens when we forget the end tag? These are defined as a different paragraphs, but it is very important for all of us to give the ending HTML tag for the paragraph. Now proceeding further, BR is used to break the statement. Now inside a paragraph, if we want to start something into a new line, so we are going to use BR tag. You can see that this is a paragraph, and when we try to run the code, wherever we are adding BR, it is going to start to a new line. Now let us have a look to another example of this one. This is a single paragraph, but all the things will appear in a single line. Now what happens if we wish to display the entire thing as it is? Just like we have copied and pasted the entire thing and we want this the same to appear on the screen. So this is defined in the pre element. The HTML pre-element defines the pre-formatted text. The text inside the pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font and it preserves both space and the line break. Now, if we try to run this, what is going to display? You can see that we have copied pasted the entire thing and everything whatever is starting in a new line, it is going to read the line spaces and all the line break. This is what happens when we use the pre-code. Now we are in the next chapter. We are going to have a brief introduction to the CSS style sheets.